This is Hot Rods, the 2020 Club Championship, coming to you live out of Western Sydney. This is round 28. Let's look at our competitors for tonight. This is Lisa Smith from the USA, driving for Team 100 Proof Racing. She's looking for her third win on the trot right here in Hot Rods. The Auburn 852 is one hell of a racing machine. Back on MWR, all the way from Kiwi Land, is Team NZ Racing. They have a new driver in Mr. Dan and Harry, all the way from the USA. They've given them the So Fast. This thing is fast and I've seen it in practice.
Let the hot rods begin. Race one. Well, a DNF out of the first race. This is unbelievable.
Well, that's some savage blocking by Mr. Dan and Harry in that So Fast. Let's go again.
Race two. Winner, Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852 for 100 Proof Racing.
The Auburn 52 with Smith behind the wheel, powering right through that finish line.
Race three. Winner, Mr. Dan and Harry in the Monty So Fast.
A very late charge by the Auburn 852, all squared up.
Race four. Winner, Mr. Dan and Harry for NZ Racing in that Mighty So Fast.
Not sure what's going on with Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852. They better pick their game up now.
Race five. Winner, the So Fast, driven by Mr. Dan and Harry for NZ Racing.
Congratulations to NZ Racing and Mr. Dan and Harry driving the So Fast. You've scored your first win right here as a team on MWR. NZ Racing back on the board again with a new driver, but still up the top, head to head with Mark D of Australia. This is race two, and the long wheelbase, they seem to go really well out the gate here. Lisa's hitting the walls a bit, but it's Lisa all the way in the Auburn 852. Mr. Dan and Harry struggling in the So Fast for NZ Racing, and they're gone out of race two. It's an easy win for the Auburn 852 and 100 Proof Racing. Check out the So Fast. This is race three. Watch him cross over. Crosses over there and he goes down low, and he's flooring it. Goes down Mount Western straight. The Auburn 852 is struggling. I don't know what's going on with Lisa. Maybe they've got mechanical problems. The So Fast swings out of turn two and is just flooring it across the line. And a very late charge by the lacklustre Auburn 852 tonight. This is race four, and Mr. Dan and Harry, well, what can I say? They're just loving Mount Western Raceway and the So Fast, driving for NZ Racing. I really enjoy watching these guys. You know, they're just battling it out on the track, but it's a So Fast all the way. Mr. Dan and Harry, you get your second win. And Lisa and the 852, well, they're just struggling tonight. Really just underpowered. Heading into race five, and it's Mr. Dan and Harry in the So Fast for NZ Racing. They're all over the track. They're just dominating Lisa. Lisa's struggling. She's bouncing from wall to wall. Does a nice little swing there, which I do love, by the way. But it's So Fast across the line. They get their first win here right on Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, Mr. Dan and Harry, for NZ Racing. Lisa Smith will see you back on the track with another ride driving for 100 Proof Racing. Here's your winner tonight, Mr. Dan and Harry, driving for NZ Racing. We'll see you Thursday night. Coming up next Thursday night, we have Hasty Ladigan all the way from South Africa. He's driving for Team Redline Salvage Inc. in the 68 El Camino. Stay tuned, folks. Thursday night, Aussie time. Catch you later.